Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Ryobi jigsaw. It's an 18-volt orbital jigsaw, so I guess it does have the orbital option. It's model number P5231. Got really nice. It says blade saver, extends the blade life. All right, let's unbox it real quick. And also, just to let you know, we did manage to get this for around $53 with the Black Friday sales that they have now. I believe they're gonna have this all month of November and December. So be sure to check that out. You got the buy one get one free. Basically, you buy a toolkit at HomeDepot.com, and you get to select the tool, and that's you get to select this. And it drops down, the price drops down from 70 bucks, I believe, to 50 bucks. So you get $20 off, which is a great deal. This is a great little jigsaw, especially for the DIY or the prosumer. If you're, starting out as a professional, you can, for light duty use this. This is great. So, all right, let's unbox this real quick. Oh, and also don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. All right. All right, so first of all, we got an instruction manual. We do have a blade here. So we got a nice T-shank blade, looks like it. This is the blade. Pretty simple. Says smooth cut, HCS wood. We'll take it out of the bag. We got a nice rubber handle here. All this is rubber. All this gray is rubber. Looks like a lock. You can lock the handle in place, so you don't have to. You can leave it locked. If you press it again, it releases. You got cutting speed 3 wood, 2 OSB, looks like OSB or particle wood, and it says 1 PVC, and then 0. I don't know what this is, like cardboard, precision. So it looks like I can't see what that is. Anyways, speed match. You got the speed selector there, obviously. Speed selector. You got Ryobi there, and this says you got the blade saver. On the back, we got the battery compartment. On the side here, we got some more literature there. It says P5231. And here's the bottom plate, it's metal. And then we have a guard here. And you do get a tool with this on the back here. It's kind of hiding, but here's a tool on the back, basically. So in case you want to switch, you want to change the angle, we'll just do it now. I'll show you guys how to do it. So you loosen this up, and this becomes a little loose, and then you can switch it. See how you can, it does have an arrow here at the bottom, so you can put it at right at 30, or you can put it at 15, and it does have these little slots here, so it'll fit right in the numbers, so you won't mess up where it's at. So once you feel it that it's in there, obviously you have to hold it and then just tighten it up. I really needed a jigsaw. My other jigsaw is a really cheap jigsaw that I bought, and really I needed something nice. Obviously not a professional, but I needed something nice. All right, so once you go like that, it kicks you the blade but you guide it through this channel here, and then you just put it all the way in there. You'll feel it snap in there, and then just try to release it. It's in there. So all right, it does have a nice guide. I really like the guide here that it has. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna put this up. So I really like this guide that it has here. See, my other jigsaw did not have this. That makes this blade really stable. So we'll go ahead and pop a battery. We got a 3 amp hour battery. It's HP. So we'll put it in there and see what this sounds like, or see if it works. I'm gonna put the tool back before we forget. Alright, so I'm not gonna put my finger in there. I'm just gonna hold it like so. Oh, you got a nice work light. Nice. Oh, I really like this jigsaw. I'm telling you guys, it feels real smooth. That's speed 1. Obviously the other one was speed 0. Speed 2. And then speed 3. Real smooth. I gotta say, real smooth operation here. I really like this. Looks like it's gonna make a nice jigsaw. Hopefully we'll make another video on this. We're using it. We're not gonna use it now. This is just a quick unboxing of the holiday deals, of the Black Friday and the holiday deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.